We have put the beans in the this crock pot, and we'll add about 10 grams of common salt to this, and then we'll cover it and leave it for about 6 to 7 hours. One thing I forgot to mention, that we will need to wash the soaked beans with water a couple of times, and then we will put them in this crock pot and then boil them for 6 to 7 hours, about that much time, until they get soft and ready to eat. But we will have to do another step before we eat them. We'll have to make a masala, and for that we will need a tomato, little bit of ginger, couple of cloves of garlic, half big onion, and now we will chop them. We are removing the skin from the ginger. We already did that from the cloves of the garlic, and we remove the uppermost layer of onion, and then we'll chop them. We have taken half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now we will take little bit of hing powder or asafoetida, and this is coriander powder, 1 full tablespoon, and this is less than half tablespoon of red chili. We have coarsely chopped all the things like onion, ginger, garlic and tomato. Now we are adding little bit of water to the blender so that we can blend them all together. Okay. We are taking little bit of olive oil, about I would say 2 tablespoons, and we will put now the blended all the things which we just blended in the blender, and we will add all the spices to this. Now we have blended all the things together, and we have now we will fry these on the full heat in this pan. We'll keep doing this for some time, and until that the water is mostly dried off. So this is almost ready now. How much we have to roast is, you can see there is a little bit of that oil is separated from the masala. So that's indication that the masala is almost ready. The water has evaporated and our masala is ready. Now we are going to put all the masala in the boiled kidney beans. We'll stir it thoroughly. So that the masala is mixed very well with the boiled beans. If you take the boiled beans from grocery store, then please make sure that you wash it before you use them, because there is some spices already on the beans which will interfere with the spices you are taking here, and the taste will be different.